Welcome everyone to my Norton 360 review, and I'm going to show you everything about Norton 360. Alright, this is a laptop with no internet security or antivirus. Let me just show it to you. So guys, if you click on the first link in this video description, you will get a free trial for 14 days. So click on it. Then click on free trial at the top right hand corner and it will bring you to this page. Alright, so I will click on start free trial. So you can click on Norton Antivirus, Norton 360 Standard, Norton 360 Deluxe, or Norton 360 with Lifelock. But I will go with Norton 360 with Lifelock Select Plus. So guys, I'm just going to enter my information. I click on next. You can add these if you want. I enter my card details and I click on get started. Here, I can now download Norton 360. The file has appeared. Let me click on it. Now Norton 360 is downloading. Starting setup. Now I will click on install Norton 360 and the installation is complete. And guys, at this point, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like these, you will be notified instantly. Thank you. There is a pop-up here. Let me click on OK. Let me now sign in with the account they created when I entered my card details. And the Norton 360 activation is now completed. Let me now click on next. This is Norton 360 Cloud Backup. Let me skip for now so that this video is not too long. Norton VPN. This is installing Norton 360 on another device. Norton 360 Password Manager. And this is the Norton 360 dashboard. And guys, at this point, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like these, you will be notified instantly. Thank you guys. So now, the first thing I will do is to run a full scan with Norton 360 on this laptop. And I will show you guys the results. So after a few hours, these are the results and no threats detected. And now guys, let me show you the Norton Private Browser. I will install it and show you everything included in the Norton Private Browser. It's installing. It has installed. I will click yes. As you can see, it has a simple interface. Let me maximize it. Now, let me make Norton Private Browser the default browser. Alright, let me scroll down. And I will choose Norton Private Browser. And that is it. And guys, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Now, let me show you everything included in the Norton Private Browser. Now here I have the theme and I can choose whichever one I want. Here we have widgets. And here we have Google services. And we can get more. This is the Norton Password Manager. Next, we have the Norton Privacy Guard. And here we have extensions. This is my profile. This is the Norton Security and Privacy Center. On the three dots here, we have all these. Screen sharing mode, default profile, passwords and autofill, history, bookmarks, privacy cleaner, zoom, print, find and edit, cast, save and share, more tools, security and privacy center. So it takes us back to this dashboard. Let me continue from where we were. So help and about Norton Private Browser, settings, and we have all these. Now guys, let me show you the Norton VPN. Alright, and guys, I want to encourage you to subscribe to the channel so that when I drop detailed reviews like what you are currently watching, you will be notified instantly. Alright, let me click on Secure VPN. These are features, and let me turn on the VPN. Connecting. And it's now connected. Now the VPN has chosen Israel for me. and I have to gray out the IP address, guys. Let me click on change. Now, these are options and countries you have with the Norton VPN. Let me scroll down for you to see. I will scroll gently. And that is it. Let me close this and click on Open Secure VPN. Under Connection, this is what we have. Under Settings, this is what we have. Auto Connect, and you can turn them on. Split tunneling. If I click on Edit Apps, you then have this option to add applications. Let me scroll down. Show notifications. Kill switch. Reconnect after restarting. Access local devices with Norton VPN. And enable multiple active VPNs. Now let's see add tracker blocking. All right, now here on the right hand side, you have Safe Cam to protect access to your webcam. Now guys, let me take you back to the Norton 360 dashboard and show you the remaining features and settings on your Norton 360 dashboard. You can click on Activate Parental Control and install it. I don't want this video to be too long, so let's proceed. This is the Norton 360 dashboard. Let me just scroll down. Okay, so here I can add another device. Under security, we have scans, cloud backup, live update, advanced security, security history, quarantine, parental control, browser extensions, password manager, and additional services. So under advanced security, we have antivirus. Let me show the settings. Auto protect, behavioral protection. Next is email protection, script control, exclusions, then under exploit prevention, we have suspicious behavior and system modifications. Then under ransomware protection, we have protected folders, protected file types, and you can add your own. Under app permissions, I didn't add any. Under settings, we have smart mode and strict mode. So under sandbox, we have apps in sandbox, permanent sandbox, and settings. And you can safely test unknown apps in sandbox. So for smart firewall, under general, we have automatic program control, automatic network control, Wi-Fi security, additional settings and restore default settings. Under network, these are Wi-Fi SSIDs. Under program control, these are all of them. Okay. In traffic rules, we have all these. Okay. So let's go to intrusion prevention. So we have intrusion signatures, remote access protection, and receive notifications. Connection attempts, none. Exclusions, I have not added any. So under Safe Web, these are all the services. Blocked websites and exclusions. So that's it. We've seen this and this also. So under performance, we have software updater, file cleanup, startup manager, and optimize disk. Under privacy, I have turned off the Norton VPN, but SafeCam is active, protecting my webcam and microphone. Under search, you can search for whatever you want. Under settings, we have features, all these. Then under general, we have these. App permissions, notifications, troubleshooting, privacy policy, and about. So guys, I put all the links in the description for you to start with a free trial of Norton 360 and get the protection you need. Thanks for watching my Norton 360 review, and I will see you in the next video.